Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about revision number 1. It is for class 8 subject geography. So revision number 1 again I am continuing in today's class. See here, today's question: dash requires moderate temperature. Moderate temperature and rainfall. The answer is wheat. So next question: dash are also known as coarse grains. The answer is millets. So the next one: maize requires dash temperature. The answer is moderate. The answer is what? Moderate. So next one: dash requires high temperature, light rainfall. The answer is cotton. So next question: jute was also known as the dash. The answer is golden fiber. So next question: dash is a beverage. Dash is a beverage crop grown on plantations. The answer is tea. See here, next one I am continuing. Industries can be classified on the basis of dash and dash. So the answer is raw materials, size, ownership. Okay, see here. So once again I repeated these all. First one: wheat requires moderate temperature and rainfall. The answer is what? Wheat. So next question: millets are also known as coarse grains. The answer is millets. Next question: maize requires moderate temperature. The answer is moderate. So next question: cotton requires high temperature and light rainfall. The answer is here cotton. Next, jute was also known as the golden fiber. So jute was also calling that golden fiber. The answer is golden fiber. Next, tea is a beverage crop grown on plantations. The answer is tea. Industries can be classified on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. The answers are raw materials, size and ownership. Okay. So again I am continuing this fill in the blanks. Chapter number 5, Industries. See here. So next question, see here, dash based industries, use plant and animal based products as their raw materials. The answer is agro. The answer is what? Agro. Okay, next one. Iron made from dash. Iron made from dash is the product of mineral based industry. The answer is iron ore. The answer is what? Iron ore. See next, dash industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. The answer is marine based. The answer is what? Marine based. So next question, dash industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. The answer is forest based. So next, dash refers to the amount of capital invested. The answer is size. The answer is what? Size. So once again I am repeating this all. Agro based industries use plant and animal based product as their raw materials. The answer is agro based. So next question, iron made from iron ore is the product of mineral based industry? The answer is iron ore. So next question, marine based industries use products from the sea and oceans as raw materials. The answer is marine based. So next question, forest based industries utilize forest produce as raw materials. So that answer is forest based. So next one, size refers to the amount of capital invested. Okay, the answer is what? Size. See here, today's revision number 1, fill in the blanks, here only completed. So next again I am revision 1 continuing next class. Thank you.